we going?
We're going camping in the forest.
So, we will see you at the campsite in a little while.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye.
Woohoo! We're arrived at our destination, camping at the Derby Forest. Woohoo! Yay! Yeah! Woo!
Hello, friends. So, we are camping now, and we arrive at the site, and I want to show you our tent. So we're gonna do a little walkthrough, and we're gonna just show you the things them we got in our tent. Would you like to do that? Okay, so let's walk. Here we go. This is the tent. Let me give you a little bit of a better view. And spacious. So let's let her have a little walk through. So this is the entrance. There you go. Let's take you around the side. Let me take you around the side first. I'm getting all too excited. Okay, look. Oh. Yes. So let's go for a walk. Into the tent we go. Say hello. We're going in. So we have a look. This is the hot plate, the hot plate. So don't touch it because it's hot. So we look there. We're moving on. Got some chairs. Yes, chairs, nice and comfy. A little boogie board or body board there. Yes, we do like to surf and ting. A nice comfy chair there. Nice and comfy. We also have another moon chair, they call it. A moon chair. Not moo. Moon. A moon chair. Then I got the table to help you take things. A nice cool box to keep my ginger beer in. Yes. Now we have a bed. Nice, that is NayNay's bed. There, and this one is Mummy and Daddy's bed. There, so. Nice and spacious still. Yes. Well, there you go. That's it. That's our tent. Can you see? That's our tent. Do you like it? Good. So press that like button, and we shall see you soon. Bye bye. This is Lucy out.
Yeah. Hi, this is my friend Amy, and we're digging a pool for Lucy.
Hello and welcome to Sands Beach. Let's have a look out. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. So, Nay and Amy, right here. Say hello.
Hello.
They have built me a pool. Shall we have a good look, see? Let's have a good look. So. Oh. Interesting. So, tell me, what is this bit here, so?
This is your waiting area.
My sitting area, nice, nice. And what is that bit over there?
That is a slide.
A slide for my pool. Very luxurious. So, I think we're going to put some water in. Is that right, ladies?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's have a go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Water, 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 water. Yes. I'm going to go for a quick dip. go surfing now. Everybody learning how. Come on, have a party with me. Hello. Good evening. And we're in the Dolby Forest in our tent, and we are sleeping. Oh, we're not sleeping. Oh no, they're awake. Oh no. Oh no. And my voice must have been so loud I couldn't. Okay, keep it quiet. Keep it quiet.
Yeah, Lucy. That made me very tired. That beach day.
It's time to go to bed.
No, we're having a late tonight. You have to go to bed. We're having a movie.
Oh.
And we'll stay up quite late.
Okay.
And we'll eat popcorn.
Okay. So what movie we gonna watch?
We're watching Descendants.
Nice. Okay. Night. Let's watch a movie. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. So where are we?
We are right here.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to have a walk near the lake.
Oh, good. Lovely. Can't wait. 1 minute, let me just catch my breath. Okay, we went on this really long walk up the hill, really steep, and then 1 minute, me see this. It's a rock, a big rock. So I'm gonna see what's on the top of it, and hopefully we can climb it. Isn't that right, Amy?
Yeah.
Yes. And where's Anaya? Is she up there already? Let's see. Where? Anaya, you still there? We made it. Oh, we made it. Right. We see what's on top, okay? Okay. Ciao for now. So, we're climbing. Climb. Got to climb. Must get to the top. Oh no, this way. No, not that way. This way. Let's go. You alright, girls? You alright up there? Yes, you're right. Oh, yes, doing well. You right, Ali? Yes, let's go. Keep climbing. Got to keep climbing. Got to keep climbing. Mm-hmm. My feet are so tired. My dogs are barking. So, we're going back to the campsite, and we shall see you tomorrow. And look at the view. Look at the view. Look. Hello. Hello. So here we are on the Mars. Is it the Mars? Is it the Mars?
Yes.
Yes, it's the Mars.
The
And we're heading
Mars.
down to the beach. It's a long walk. Now, can you see the view around? Gorgeous. Right, let's go for a walk, shall we, NayNay? Yes, let's go. Let's go. See you in a bit. Bye.
Hi, friends. We found a jellyfish. Look. I really don't want to step on that. Nuh-uh.
So, here we are at the famous Robin Hood Bay, and it is very well known about for smugglers coming here to sell their silks and stuff. Yeah, yes, what is it?
Lucy, I found
I was doing a documentary. What is it? A what? A giant squid. Let's go get it. Oh, let's see a giant squid.
Just kidding, it's just serious.
Oh no. She got me good. Me only like squid covered in breadcrumbs and deep fried.
It's not a squid.
Delicious.
It's not a real squid. It's seaweed.
Seaweed?
Yeah.
Me never heard of seaweed before.
Look, wait. Seaweed.
Yuck, that looks disgusting.
Wait, look.
Oh, snapping. Oh, wet. The water's wet. So, looking down, look at seaweed. Seaweed. Oh, that's a lot of seaweed. It's a lot of seaweed.
It's salty. What I don't want to get into.
Oh, is there anything in these little puddle them? Any, what do you call them? What's that thing from? Yes, crabs. Any crab them?
Crab.
Or fishy little fishes we can eat. Is there any?
1, 2, 3.
Ah, splash. Oh, let's have another look out. Oh, don't get me. Don't get me. No. Oh, see you soon. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Then to hit the like button. Bye. Bye. So, we've had a lovely time in the Dolby Forest. Is that right, NayNay?
Yes.
Such a lovely time. Sun and sea and forest and wood and green and ting. So, I hope you enjoyed our little video. And please like and
Subscribe.
subscribe. Yes. We see you soon. Take care. Bye.